Hey, welcome to American Cars and Trucks. In today's video, we will transform Ram 1500 experience to next level. Elevate Ram 1500 experience with 5 must-have accessories. Accessories that will not just increase aesthetic and style but also adds practicality to your truck. After thorough research on product and taking reviews from large database, we have selected best-in-class accessories available on Amazon. Let's dive in. First up, the center console organizer tray. This is a game changer for anyone who likes to keep their truck neat and tidy. This organizer tray fits perfectly into center console of Ram 1500 from 2019 to 2025 models with full center console and bucket seat, instantly transforming it into a well-ordered hub for your essentials. It has separate compartments for pens, coins, phones, glasses, gum, etc., while less used items can go underneath. It has anti-slip mats which prevent sliding of items on sharp turns and prevent rattling noise. No more digging for your phone or keys. Everything has its place and you can find what you need in a snap. It is crafted from durable ABS plastic and doesn't block USB port. Check the link in description box to buy it from trusted Amazon store. Next is tempered glass screen protector. This is an essential accessory for anyone who wants to keep their touchscreen in pristine condition. This 12-inch screen protector is designed specifically for 2019 to 2025 Ram 1500 and ensures a seamless fit that complements your vehicle's interior. And best part, it doesn't affect touch response of your screen. This premium car screen protector is crafted from 9H hardened tempered glass, making it ultra durable and resistant to scratches. An oleophobic and hydrophobic coating reduces glare and smudges, so don't worry about fingerprint marks or accidental spillages. Plus, you'll get a full-size microfiber cloth for your touchscreen along with the tempered glass to keep it in pristine condition. Installation is breeze, all tools included in package. Just clean the screen with microfiber cloth and place the tempered glass over screen. It automatically attaches due to silicone adhesive. So, protect your touchscreen from scratches and smudges. It's a small investment that pays off big time. Check the link mentioned in description box and protect your touchscreen. Third, the Armrest center console cushion cover. This is all about comfort and style. Made with high-density memory foam, it molds to your arm, relieving pressure and making long drives feel effortless. The premium PU leather cover is scratch-resistant, water-resistant, and easy to clean, and won't block latch so you get ease of access. This center console cover has 2 side pockets so that you can store your phone, cards, keys, and all your quick grab items, which is quite practical. And 3 elastic bands keeps it firm in place. So it's a simple upgrade that makes your truck feel more luxurious. Trust me, once you have it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. To make it yours, check the Amazon link in description box. Finally, the rear seat under storage tray. This under-seat tray helps you maximize every inch of your truck's interior while keeping things neat and accessible. It's perfect for stashing tools, groceries, or gear. It keeps everything organized and out of sight, so no more cluttered back seats or items rolling around. Specifically engineered for Ram 1500 Crew Cab, ensuring a perfect fit under the rear seat. Built from high-density thermoplastic, this tray is tough enough to handle everyday wear and tear. Installation is breeze. No drilling or tools required. Simply place it under the seat and tighten the strap, and there you go. To enhance the storage space and keep rear seats clutter-free, check the Amazon link mentioned in description box. So, there you have it, 4 simple upgrades that add style and practicality to your Ram 1500. These accessories are easy to install and make a big impact. Ready to transform your ride? These accessories are just the beginning. There are countless ways to customize your Ram 1500 to fit your lifestyle. Hit that like button and subscribe for more cool tips. Stay tuned for more videos on how to get the most out of your Ram 1500.